Today, how kitchen cabinets are made with cutting-edge AI technology.
Let's dive into the future of cabinet making.
Step 1. AI-powered design and planning.
AI software optimizes the cut list. Precision starts here. The tech revolution transforms manufacturing.
These plywood sheets are top grade. MDF and melamine look perfect.
Digital tracking system.
The automatic edge bander applies perfect wood grain tape at high speed, creating a seamless finish. In a high-tech smart factory, laser-guided precision trims excess tape from this plywood panel with flawless accuracy. In our smart factory, every edge is inspected to ensure flawless quality. Our AI technology we produce. AI precision transforms raw panels into flawless components, embodying the future of smart manufacturing. The automated dowel inserter precisely applies glue and wooden dowels. This synchronization enables efficient, high-volume production.
Alignment confirmed. Perfect at 0 millimeters.
AI-guided robotic arms precisely screw the cabinet backs into place. This ensures flawless, efficient assembly.
Automated painting delivers flawless finishes, revolutionizing efficiency and precision in smart manufacturing.
In this smart factory, AI and precision engineering create flawless kitchen cabinets. This smart factory harnesses AI to revolutionize cabinetry, blending precision and innovation.